Life has adapted many different ways on our home we call Earth. With the help of natural selection, we see many strange animals today in 2026. In this video, we will be discussing my top 5 strangest looking animals. Number 5, the tarsier. Tarsiers are a group that was prehistorically more globally widespread. Today, all of the existing species are restricted to Southeast Asia, predominantly in Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Due to their small size, tarsiers are a prey to various other animals. They primarily inhabit the lower vegetation layers as they face threats from both terrestrial predators such as cats, lizards, and snakes, and aerial predators such as owls. By residing in these lower layers, they can minimize their chances of being preyed upon by staying off the ground and yet still low enough to avoid birds of prey. Tarsiers are small animals with enormous eyes. Each eyeball is approximately 16 millimeters or 0.63 inches in diameter and as large as, or in some cases larger than, its entire brain. The unique cranial anatomy of the tarsier results from the need to balance their large eyes and heavy head so that they are able to wait silently for nutritious prey. Tarsiers have a strong auditory sense, and their auditory cortex is distinct. Tarsiers also have long hind limbs due to their elongated tarsus bones of the feet, from which the animals get their name. The combination of their elongated tarsi and fused tibio-fibulae makes them specialized for vertical clinging and leaping. Tarsiers' morphology allows for them to move their heads 180 degrees in either direction, allowing for them to see 360 degrees around them. Number 4, the lowland streaked tenrec. The lowland streaked tenrec is a small tenrec found in Madagascar. Its natural habitats are in tropical lowland rainforests in northern and eastern parts of Madagascar. The average body size for one of these is a length of 140 millimeters or 5.5 inches. This species has a black tiny spallage of yellow or chestnut brown stripes that run the length of the body. A median yellow stripe runs down the rostrum along with one dorsal and 2 lateral stripes that mark the length of the body and may serve as a warning for predators. Quills are present in this species and are longer and more numerous on the head. The ventral region contains few to no quills, but quills do have the ability to detach in predator defense. Like most animals with quills, these quills act as a primary defense mechanism in case the animal is attacked. Number 3, the star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole is a small semi-aquatic mole found in moist, low-elevation areas in the northeastern parts of North America. Because the star-nosed mole is functionally blind, the snout was long suspected to be used to detect electrical activity in prey animals, though not much evidence supports this hypothesis. The nasal star and dentition of this species appear to be primarily adapted to exploit extremely small prey. They are technically the fastest eating mammal, taking as little as 120 milliseconds to identify and consume individual food items. Its brain decides in approximately 8 milliseconds if prey is edible or not. This speed is at the limit of the speed of neurons. Furthermore, just behind the 11th ray of the star-nosed mole has modified front teeth that form the equivalent of a pair of tweezers. High-speed video shows these specialized teeth are used to pluck tiny prey from the ground. Number 2, the tardigrade or water bear. The tardigrade is a 8-legged microanimal, which are typically around 0.5 millimeters or 0.02 inches long when fully grown. They are short and plump with 4 pairs of legs, each ending in claws. They were first described by Johann Goezi in 1773, who called them little water bear. Tardigrades live in diverse regions of Earth, mountaintops, deep sea, tropical rainforests, and the Antarctic. They are among the most resilient animals known, with individual species being able to survive severe conditions. such as exposure to extreme temperatures, extreme pressures, air deprivation, radiation, dehydration, and starvation that would quickly kill most other forms of life. They have survived exposure to outer space. These things have been around for a very long time. The earliest known fossil is from the Cambrian, some 500 million years ago. Number 1, the red-lipped batfish, which can be found off the Galapagos Island and around Ecuador. Typically, they are found at depths of 3 to 76 meters or 10 to 250 feet. This species was first described by the American ichthyologist Carl Levitt Hubbs in 1958. Hubbs surely immediately noticed the red, bright lips on the batfish. It is hypothesized that the lip coloration may enhance species recognition during spawning. Besides its red lips, the batfish can also change the color of its skin to blend in with the environment. This defense mechanism almost makes it invisible among coral reefs and helps avoid predators. Also, batfish are not good swimmers. They use their fins to walk on the ocean floor. When the batfish reaches maturity, its dorsal fin becomes a single spine-like projection, thought to primarily act as a lure for prey. The red-lipped batfish has no known direct threats. However, rising sea temperatures and coral bleaching could pose a threat, as it would alter their natural habitat and may cause a decline in the availability of a natural food source. As bottom dwellers, batfish are at a high risk of ingesting microplastics or becoming entangled in discarded fishing gear. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of my content. Have a great day.